I think my philosophy is inspired by growing up here in England and my association with Sri Lanka really coming from its food. One of the things that we wanted to do is give authentic experiences about Sri Lanka and its food. The Ceylon chicken curry is a very, very famous dish in Sri Lanka. It's probably the most widely prepared dish on many household tables. And when we're designing the menu here at Kolamba, it was very much the first dish that we wanted to put on. It transpires that it is the best-selling dish in the restaurant, and it was also something that we wanted to put into the boxes. When someone opens up one of our boxes, we want to transport them to Sri Lanka, and for them to experience the smells and the taste and the flavors of the island. It's important that the presentation and the dishes themselves are as authentic as we can get. I'm Iroshan Niwela. This is Boxed.